Where's your Easter basket?
Where's your Easter basket?
Go look over there. What's in there? What is that? Oh, what is that? Is it a fishing rod? What else is in there? Oh boy, a tackle box.
Oh boy.
What else is in
What's
there?
in there? What else?
Isaac, is there something else?
What else is in there?
Look. What is that?
Oh boy.
Come here, bring it over here. Let's look.
What that be? What that be? That's okay.
Come here.
Look. Look.
Isaac, come here.
Come.
What's in there? Oh, that's nice. What's in there?
What's in this? Pull the zipper. The other way. Pull. Pull. Go. Go that way with it. Go more. Go more. Go more. Oh, what's in there?
What do you have? Is it a bunny?
Don't squish it. Look.
Oh, a carrot.
Are those bubbles?
Bubbles, yeah. Ooh, is that for your fishing rod? I don't think you can go fishing with all that candy.
Whoa. You want a piece of candy? Just one. Close it now.
Isaac, say happy. Can you say happy? Easter. Oh, you got candy in your mouth? Okay. Can you say bye? Can you blow kisses? Good job. Love you. Happy Easter.